Many companies want the benefits that an on-demand, custom box-making program can bring to their packaging line. Packsize, the right-size packaging leader, is experienced in integrating a scalable, system-wide approach. We work closely with you to come up with the best possible solution for your packaging operation by leveraging our years of expertise. As part of our advanced products operation, our professional services team teaches customers how to use an on-demand packaging approach as the world-class solution it is. We take your current solution and design a personalized roadmap to help you achieve a best-in-class solution. Starting with solving your biggest packaging concerns, we apply a packaging analysis to show your projected return on investment, beginning on day one. With knowledge attained from helping thousands of customers create right-size packaging on demand, Packsize has the know-how to deliver value across your entire packaging line, extending both upstream and downstream into other areas of your operation. By auditing different points in your warehouse, we also help improve your total packaging flow to deliver value that extends across your entire operation. In addition to serving as your expert on the Packsize on-demand packaging system, there's seldom a third-party component, accessory, or consumable solution our professional services team hasn't already seen. Once your Packsize solution has been installed, our consulting services will continually help to optimize your packaging workflow by developing new updates to your existing process flows. You can be sure you are receiving the best possible solution with our advanced products team. No one is better at integrating a Packsize approach than your Packsize team. Whether it is a specific conveyor, automated accessories, dimensioning capabilities, protective packaging, strapping, case sealers, gluing, void fill replacements, or carton alternatives. Our advanced products team of professional packaging experts can supply a custom solution that is perfect for you and your goals. And to deliver the custom box making solution that works best for you, we can help you with package design and testing. This helps to better pack and protect your products. You can also rely on Packsize for all of your Z-fold corrugated material, hot melt, labels, and an assortment of other consumables. Leverage Packsize advanced products portfolio and the professional services team to build full potential into your packaging process flow.